Yaba Sompa Dewa Guano and Luana Sompa
Marabu Sampa na mike mintam kesia na me bosui memrati bremu metia elamina binyo mrantani mabawa utieme akama yasa mudao akama yasa mupei sukuhi maufoni mikobi na sukoda boni semti mayire mi wensudia oyi medi kwan so mayedi kan be di achi ma fonyi na ye jami ti mamu fama di swen ni agro mamu fama di swen ni agro kra aka everybody na sanja aka sanfu so mi kami
Oman for was say Sadi Amiye say for minya never fro minya another opportunity and coming yakura where you oji and oji and tata mosomfo Joseph Osafor Edu Majima Kunya Sompa Rhapsody and I'm Sompa FM 106.5 so and I'm a neighbor me sa Jumadie no Kereboao the dinner brabo Yamanas Ama Brebi Anyons Achina Meno Ekasa Efa Mental Health Agrimoteo Ebusam etimi enu inu ba kon ose adwem pa be he so na ntiase abon ho Ati ba wi awo bia no anopa sa wote ka mu sa odam pemu sa onam ho a Bomodi ana lock wo dan no at 106.5 FM Ose Emma Aketia Optimizing your mental health then I'll be now ma when you adjumoto nowadays I think a party where you might be and your asaba I say from understanding to action what mental health is, what compromises it, and how it protects you. Then the money come na eden na obet me idea bo wadwene moto ne atenka moto ho ban na tani tiase fa na adwen tenkatewo adwen ni atenka me se adwen tenkatewo e wonya ne baby ayeso papa
if I yesu tama kama mre azani la rasulai
a new term in town adwen tenkatewo adwen ni atenka moto and even adwen tenkatewo eyenkate adwen tenkatewo
untie mafutu so aka everybody na sanja aka everybody na sanja rasani mamba wa untie mafutu so emre yeni kaso aka mafamunya sapa aka mafami mwanjika mama nyama kesho
Andrew Priscilla Ebwaye a component of mental health. I say me and I made this tell me ya bevana adwentin kateo adwenimoni atenkamoteo and if an mental health adwentin kateo Bamodia natural to how winter baby I happen abetino na meka wonga ekraj madie yi emua also yasene in the liver Pepsodent. I say Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste. Esenia ayenke kaina ntokura babohona emboa hano na keke hano no. Wose say what the way you say wose no obeshe ayonata. I say eba in various forms. Ebi 175 gram, and a busian chamfa. Ebi 120 grams, and a jakwa pack, 65 gram, and the 12 pack near sachet. Baby Alcobiano, and Robert Miafa, or Sasha Nation, Baby Alcobiana show, Utmia, now they're choosing. Hey, a sympathia, and a numpanam, or saying ya, said it.
Let me saw the one I miss. I want to need hobium. As often as you are son, I
say, don't just brush your teeth, don't brush it. Don't just brush your teeth. Use Pepsodent that protects your teeth. And you suck again. You can't be piercing. Pay at the panel. So be your dear Biane. You be a friend of Biane. You be how we dear. Forson. Sana sa SCQs. I repeat how do you say no separate. The Pepsodent cavity fighter toothpaste was say fortified with pro-fluoride and micro-calcium ingredients. Obese ofre now oni obi a oye esinwe adwuma kasa 0800 161 000. Omma connect to my dentist. No wedding 0800 161 000. Now sabase utu na okotonwa. One among say toll free line 0800 2000 30 0800 2000 30. Excellent. Every smile matters. Doctor King Kong, I bet just so. Wait, just hot kenke. Doctor Winina King Kong. Hey, Doctor Winan Kadem. Sa Doctor Utubako. Now, but now they what they bow or Macomu who say yes. Yaw Doctor, any old Doctor, any old just bread and pastries, coffee by. Was say on the Columbia Bejaso, Bako, 3 cities. Obet me a ton walk or ton, was say a coin of us here and quite fake. Just say, Omoyano under hygienic condition, or say Anuncio Ed, or the Brupana ye, Yabura, and Moire Ainity, Nanson, and night. A choir of us a my package in the fair. Delivery so, Obet me deliver the amount. The Bayana say, Frewon go from 025 606 8832 025 606 8832 Okwa ye. And I say Woko wedding. And our boys, girls, Moko Beach. And I'm Moko Ejumabi, I'm Moko ye. Mohia Kenke party. Dokumu King Kong. The Dean Eddie Just Hot Kenke. Near Hina or Just Bakery, a word domain, a word Ghana Commercial Bank Nachi. Mamadiana Fremoe. Also make your Kenke experience easier, healthier, and more profitable with just hot Kenke. Makacha me said that you do have it. They practice it. We are near the just hot Kenke.
my SM pen. This is tsunami, I'm sorry, pa.
About for my birthday, say, and son, some young Rebecca wants some and rap, prisoner boy. Now, on my Yahoo mental health component, or can say I think a womb, or can say psychological part womb, or can say social dimension womb, or can say spiritual dimension, and or can say behavioral and occupational dimension. And I piano craft and then chair and Tianchebia maybe lines never cock a crowd, Yamaya Doma, Robert Twasso, and get ready by your phone and check it will be a phone line. And the woman called Mark One, Priscilla, good morning.
Good morning.
At departure, how are you doing?
I'm well. My mental health is doing great.
I say, even I drink tinkatil.
Hey.
I drink near tinkamutil.
Okay. Where Professor we made. Sompa custom made.
Thank you. We no patented at Sompa Rhapsody.
Yeah.
I drink tinkatil. And the person I watch boy, watch mental health. I say I drink tinkatil. I say, oh yeah, now watch component. Nema I drink near. I didn't think at all, name and a quaho obey in Sia. Okache and say, I think a womb, Okache and say, I dream of two womb, Okache and say, Nipan Temoso a womb, Okache and say, soon from womb, Okache and say, behavior, just say, Wadio and swum, no, Okache and say, occupational, say with Messia, with Naya Juma, no, with Naya Juma, and fast so basokra, maybe say, nay, piano crack.
Okay.
Now, your peppermint here, I say turning awareness into action. The Biani comment, I'll see 2-1 and the message will say, Uncle for mix it mental health with mental illness. Oka mental health, the mental illness, I'm the frafra. Oka adrentin cattle,
any a dream we are.
Yana and go for the frafra, Bajo, Cheche, I say.
Okay, I dream think until Sompa Rhapsody patented.
Why no quiet?
And no, I can say, and no share, but from your back, I say overall. What dream, emotions, psychological parts will move. Say what dreams and our dream far. Nina, you can example say, oh, maybe a dream, and you may see. Awari mu nyeme sisi wan kasa udwen ho a mi an kasa mabrabo na it is saying then faso na efi mabrabo mu ba meaning purpose nini na ka adwen tinka te ho na ye ka adwen mu yare a na ye chese there's a particular bibi pote a na ekoso wa adwen mu a ma onipa kono even say behavior be a obi hunu eba into no bro because say diagnosable condition.
Okay, just I don't know doctor ashada and what
we go through process
and a psychiatrist and a counselor be no what na say
no one who say specific signs. Okay, say ni na no affect say na wo dwen fa and our thinker. Any send away your name, and I said, Danny, na nyema we no daily functioning. So mental illness no a diagnosable condition, specific signs. But mental health in the year can all together. Okay. And the infant say obuoha kaso usika irai. The whole day why basa and I bet 2 days why basa. And no your mental health. And no cry a bit as a mental health problem.
Okay.
Problem no is not the same as illness. Okay. Mental illness no ya diagnose you. Normally no is our hospital. A baby doctor type say way a decent. A person who time frame sana mental illness so tie. Okay. And your baby to say depression. I know they the most common mental disorder. And no according to senior abefo tintan ne ehwehwemu aye no eno 2 weeks and a specific na ochimienu depression no and now see who signs be say maybe when in de o ye hu untimi ni di untimi concentrate wo niema wo yeso nka niema nka wani je hu less of pleasure wani je hu bi nti ye hu sa signs no in a period wo time be na ochimienu a answer ye hwes and answer ya ba say ni affect wo say na wo dwen say na watenka tie wo ne ye tie anase wo dwuma mu bibia eno ne ebetimi aka say ye mental illness and we see kai rana wa ye basa 2 days me pacho and na dem nka say when you depression because unya depression
na say me are so me sika so hirampa
usika ira me nka say nyirai me nka say feeling na wo feeling
obi afọ me sika me pen obi fine ayira enti eno
me nka say usika na nyirai me nka say shewo she dia shewo pa because economy we ni sika sem die
bibira
anoshi but eno no say why basa maybe 2 days and 3 days I just say ubuefu ho na maybe one kasa na oye na sika no cry free to ya na bibia eno no nchese wo mental illness and I make us say maybe who be why di on kasa bebre na kasa ana depression e kan wan say wenye bi ana pacho en ko point en fa won san ko si obi a so
Ghana for the encho encho na me self diagnosis jama wo yenye bi ana
en ti say who ti fie na aka say mi tie me ya ne pa wa du drug store akoto para Ghana for the ya de wo hia vitamins no makoto multivitamins no monum enya ne sa it must be diagnosed e was our call
near him
we are sure wa dream ye be say some questions be na ya catch you say condition say anyhow and so wait me aka say or maybe anxiety disorder say ehun
ewo church nkakrafa enti e ka adwemu yare na egu ahoro ahen church bi kakra
eno nso ye wo bebre ye wo brofum ye be kan mood disorders eno no ya tinka eno na depression no say minim twi ne de bipolar eno no
just say eneno why boso the next minim now I kebe
so go for say na mami bibia ye okay dey because what me ye bosa on kaso obi a the next minute no ni nam not to turn near man na che say why ye kra eno no depression no ni sa near mani ni na eno na ye mood disorders nti atinka anything a mood no ho it disturbs emotional states na ya ba anxiety disorders no eno no na eye ehu a be hwe I am shishie so wo dream worry excessive worry enti se maybe bibiesi wa adwumam wo dream say adiesi ehun sunsanso doso ti maybe wo dream ho be 2 days when say na mo be so people eno no nyika se wo nya anxiety disorder eno no excessive worry brofo no ka say o dream abroso enti wo dream wo sa and I know so egumu different you generalize no and only pa ko be bia or worry excessive worry na we me say na me ni say me koi
na me konya accident
but there was specific anxiety so and I friend phobias no
obi wa osro osa osro kankami osro
we never be
once na kra
coffee baby cockroach man
kakarika emano
yes ropa
no friend that our ben kakarika
but the bibi na hot say apa na dey who just said ni who shaky just say why or sweating nyema bebresi na coffee baby so height so jina bibi so a ewa osuro panti say kakumfo no mo ko excursion
Omo kofa e kan say.
Kakubra shapa.
Kakubra sa on simple.
Kakuma na.
No.
Canopy walk.
Canopy walk.
This way who pa it was specific phobia.
Yes, it me urgent song hu nyina.
Oh yes.
Also say Jesus say yes you may order.
And e bi mu kra so a social phobias ni ade osuro nipa. Nti ontimi nkasa. Nti oba
ontimi nkoni pem.
Phobias no different agoraphobia na nyema bebre.
Be over enclosed
areas. Okoshemu a maybe obi aka elevator muda.
Okay.
Nti enu nti no adisa na mewe.
Michelle obi o say ono de so between ya pass say a plane. And yet say no kwani. Ere be kwa pen dia. I say two and I say two you say ere two nyam.
It's on the train e kwa.
Two by. Wani nyam ko na ampe bi man ono e na just be two.
O man ye Philip ye ni bi. Obeyera.
I say two party on to da. That is also flight.
And nti anza untimi relax. De bia hu me tie se bibi ba. Ni na ye trauma and stress related. Disorders.
Okay.
And no kra na can say sometimes experience be obenya no etimi kwa the anxiety ne ba to be o ha se be atunu mu na pen obia ye ne basabasa wonya accident bia e pra no pa recently na metie interview bi I think so a musician no wo school na odwane one ne na fufuo eko ye party ne papa bisa no so school mu and unya accident or sorry no kuma be 4 days and papa tinche inti edu maybe untimi ntina kam inti ni na ye trauma related etimi ma obi etimi nya mental illness and as stress related maybe obi o ha o adwuma mu go to problems after problems the boss ayiye na wakasa na sa kolebi o ha ye na yakayakade sa inti onyiye no suro ewonimu onyiye no onyini hundi onyiye no waye nipa bia osuro nipa ni na timide mental illness eba
right
and amienu aka psychotic disorders eno na amanfo bebre nim anaza amanfo bebre ti mental illness omudi susu akase o sebe onipa kono na adwimu eden aka ne kakra nti eno no brofumekas the perception or false reality ohu ni eni ho
me ohu say utie
miensa otise nkofobi ya wahai otise obini ne kasa dindin obo beka say obetima ka twa say o enra akra oni Donald Trump meeting na bisa ho say uti Ghana eti domi pila 2 kaza oni Donald Trump
papa bi oko parliament say one president of Ghana
enti share a reality say na nipa ni na hu reality fa say ade ache obi anim say ha ne wo no omomu hu enema sa
ebia Osafor Joseph which radio impressive Ghana say me sorry ya me say and na mako osrane so aba nfa many nipa medika me ko wia so
enema che say usha mfa kwemu eno na edini na abum ka psychotic disorders na last year was substance disorders eno no ye pneumonia encrophonum ensa tramol cocaine nem ekoka adwen no na ede ehun sunsanso ba na saa ne manunu ma affect brain no waka cortisol ni amygdala ni baby in places bebrea eboa ma ya tinka ya hihye ni yie no onum nsa no alcohol wanum bebrea broso no eko affect brain chemistry na ho no bi se na adwene sisi fa no enti no eno susu timi de problems ba into nipa kono be so jan sanum no inso ntumi nyai
presi osawo ko we abahun se obi wo honso a even neurodevelopmental ono no je say yawo no na owo mro yibi brebi wono ho obi nso o ha aduane obeti say see on the on pese obeye fat nti chingelenge odia na wakwa bibi na afiegu afi so bi wo ho so a ne personality maybe say osan boy osa other classes so
okay
you can say neurodevelopmental disorders and also your day
neurodevelopmental disorders no idea normally yedewo enkola no
okay
and inti no a bad childhood time
okay
inti se etiefo ate autism autism and a bibia your friend ADHD ne bro from your kind attention deficit hyperactivity disorder inti akola na wo no ye kra akola bia wo kra so be dia groba ontimi ntina se kaye wa hey kawaskata bebia o kasa no so kabi no nti de bia reporters ni teachers be ba say or disturb other children
and a teacher for na enim no abrusa
mo be bro mo enso no yes o ya kola boni enso na ntisa nti neurodevelopmental no sa learning disabilities ni ade o koskua ontimi nsua ade and how do tiewu and how do hu nim hwe ye hwehwe hu sande man na neurodevelopmental maybe ne ma menyem no bibi ankoyie onya accident bi eno ne masa ne ma ne ba nti eno so timi the mental illness eba eating disorders so eno no so ye wo extreme no obu o ha
na say duan ge kra de anka duan de awudia eso obi o odidi no just say
adwini na just say Miss World cry or so change Miss World nti no
body image
odidia no asan afi aba obu so di more entini na so the mental
aduane sinanimu a
ene
obo akọ we aduane
nka entenu so ni na ye mental illness make a matikra say Princess Diana na owo eating disorder personality disorder ye ka anger management ye ka wansem kakra nipa na wusu no de baaye no obu aka say ye difficult o ka hwia ontiase personality disorders no hwehwem so ache say ye difficult dem pass obetreaty
obi say obi na ofonim me hu say ebi no to me use words be organ they say all strong personality or you very strict
obi antimi
all those things
personality
disorders and people don't know and they say one of the or a very hard person pana
say not and normally intense emotions and unstable today bia obi an wo issue no sano and a stable patterns of thinking and feeling into stable
just an antony fixed
afebo the dada sana wote who change Jesus ancient of days afebo bia say ya na pese
na this my main father being kan ho
okay
personality so na just na I like it but personality so that's man ba kon so a tif mo ntini ba ade ba kon so won personality disorders for me say generally difficult to treat and they say onipa nankasa ye boa no so ono ye nadwene say wo pemwe bia o digeli botoma ont me boa every say ade bia e kan so ho and they say ono hu say hana me mre wo yo hana mitosini say misua obi o hana oni atenkakra manipa and e bi so ho no ma ya na ofele say oye right all the time just say ono no ne bibia no oye right e bi so obo say na ene ho say obi atwa ne ho ahye nyina ye nipa wono pe na che so no de e bibia o so obi akotokoto o so obi apa ne chewo o so obi asuma no na abaye say thank God sa ne man nyina no but so because on the oye or hard personality pa or a strong man or a strong willed. A lot of such words now using the losing a reflection of personality disorders. Now, as I said, you know, now, the young who said, Nipano, a be a parent, Wabe Yere, Wabe Kunu, Wabe or Checheni, Wabe Peninibi, Wabe Obia, Ubuno. Oya de Ekokase Adi Yadia Behano. Na onsa o kan de umwa enti moment nyina ye mama a ebi a wo nyini a ohunu se na koma tin ade kakra bi a ontumi fa nche na wasum no otwene military no mo ani nkom ma no it may be early manifestations of personality disorders na se one teteno kakra ma na ehunu se listen enipa ba ye obone se wo de che obi yo honso a se wo de bibi be che pare oboa and the only penya ebi time funu ebi time funu na ha dwene pa obetan a owu di anka me abaka de se fa owu oso obi eyo bone se den na se owu a oso hu se owu etetini pantem oso wujemu but obi ho a odi owu kura benya eye personality disorders when no just omo ya bonsanfo da bi omo ya bonsanfo omo mero ye e fa sa akwa no so omo ni papa omo adwempa omo sponsor omo part bi a omo ye good pa a je say into what kana one balance because but me woni sanso because ha no ya de pa sanete mero ye na sa part no so wan hwen ya ebetumi asenu a de akwachi enti moma yenhye ye ho sa de nso na ye yi ho adwuma na obekwa ware bi no na be man ye narcissistic je say wo sheba no so oba no tumi kona nimu da won't sua de won't ntu na ma kona nim opeso ye adwuma aso ko adwuma na doso oko school de ne bobo wepra because oye narcissistic say bibia a atwa ne ho hye ne nyina ekoto no ensese ne kunu kona nim ensese ne yire kona nim ena na akoso ye ka endo ano say maame no ekona nim no na nansa no ose maame ne kona nim no papa no say hey dabi okay head mistress ade na doso no teacher na ye so we narcissistic then yire nkona nim na yire ntu na monko na nim fa ko a o ware na ote no sa no te misre mo ye pepe ni memu na o pepe na o de wani bu ahese nso abrabo no ete say na sa na wote a change your life pesa me back anti yankoso
anti edicha to mienu OCD related and only a friend obsessive compulsive disorder.
Okay, and only the abo.
And no na only pakono ibofo eba kan intrusive thoughts. And a dream be about timti ye wo ha ya hihye bibia. Opese ye pepepe.
Hey.
Wa tupu ni mu okota ne kan no asansi.
Hey, metumu na.
Be check is man tuma no asako.
No sanko.
Obe check ana obe make
sure. Ono ne ko bia ne ya.
When you brew
obey later.
Afe na all check it.
Metumu
na. Adwuma mana obe check it. Ahwe say we perfect. Obe hwema. No. E wo mu say ye ma wadwuma and answer sometimes e wo ma utimi cross check ade. But no e na brofo ne kan say e obsessive. Che say udwin hu too much. E bro so. Compulsive it see so na pesa we
okay
enti otimi sini niema be 2 times we sini baako we sini mienu obe sini be mienzans wow some fuma aden de bia wato semena usika kra besa enti obse eno susu ye issue baako a enkofo face pa eye mental illness and another one last one is sleep wake disorders.
Hey, nkasa woda hado.
Debut. Ubua enna wala sabuka eno. Say me now. Me na utu.
Hey, amanfo.
Una oye.
Na brisa papa ni won. Me na.
Oye kinkon.
Ada we nyankopon. Nyankopon pe na so. Ori ntonko. So na
would ever say sometimes go sorry cry maybe prayer and fasting be near anopa sorry donna wa she say net we be no Saturday no sorry o be ya na usa na buefu if you say maybe for Monday was sorry for sa na wa kwa adwuma and sleep wake disorders no a disruption of sleep affect daytime functioning now was say na utimi ye adwuma it's normally o insomnia untiminda okodawa untiminna anaso buso dabro so eno da ye bono kwa chese utimi ko
yes obi ni mobi oda ya ma ekura onyana ekura ari number ko ari na nasa ba keto no waria manasa
wow
oda deep na me onyamere na ho ato no so
ene bi mo so mutimi da no ma sorry no mo nante
sleep week for okay
amususu sa eno so ni na on carry obetimi anante akoye
bi
obe no asa so obi ni ho na say it is normally omo penyi fie su no so obibi sa na ha adwen pa because okobo from anasa bibi to na obi eni ho a obetimi aboa no into sleep wake disorders so and no so another form of mental illness e wo ho wo say ni na ye hwe ye hu yi na ye make sure say ye da
monno
da unye eyi
obeshia
unye Jesus
Osafor bi no se hwe menna Osafor de woda monsam bebabe want Yesu can say obi ko duaba and when men slept who said ye all men slept and say some men slept no and ye physical sleep and ye na Yesu can wasem a lack of conscious awareness values and nipa adana brabo wan yen ye meyi say ye ka say wada sunsum wada and ye physical in the account just ama bunyam is you on your alert be or spiritual sense ni na go down and the Osafor bi misinterpreting the scripture to wona na so wasabo na say no and da na home na sorry waka o sorry waka Yesu kura the boat no wada okonya na say mama na kakra na mama jidie wa he mama jidie yet me na mentwa me kakra
and as you for say you are sleeping while you are perishing yeah bebu era oda
mo bebu na wonum dia me ya monko we and na mo jidie wa he so Presa, some mental illnesses, how common did it kind globally? Nefe, how common in Ghana? And globally, no, how common in the here the global way now? What are some of the statistics that who will be account?
Okay, you much say a funny panny na I will reassert. Say a funny pa 8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nipa baako mental illness.
Hey.
Enti ba ye what them hey.
You do 8.
You do 8.
That's fine.
Aha. But nipa mienu be ka ye ho a ye bedu global ye Pfizer.
Memo bi amadam ha. I had it. You meet.
Enti ye common.
Okay.
Anti say ufa nipa 8 na nipa baako wo bia na che say ya ade a serious and according to hwehwemu susun ye omo estimate omo hwe se ne ade ne kwa by 2024 no na WHO na de by 1 billion people plus and a mental illness currently.
Hey.
And I see we are seeing na about 8
billion.
Yeah.
1 in 8, huh?
Inti.
Hey.
No. Ena ye ka almost omuji omunkwa efi omunsa so a. And no so ya another part of mental illness and health that ye beka wansempa suicide a serious issue. 727,000
afidia
every year.
Ono ana
ajene kwa finance.
Hey.
Enti enya de kito a ye kan wansem. And sa suicide mental illness woni pa kono wa go to nyema bia wa pa ba wa bre. Omusa se ka nyame nam di wiase bae masa. Nsame nyema na mengu. And now more wo baby from me back in low and middle income countries. To say baby sikasem no ever from to say a crew Ghana Africa treatments na ye dema mental illness no and shed any hasa into treatment ye low compared to say abrofo ni other places a whole treatment no ever high pa enti say me dream na me ka say na treatment no ye low wa ha say susu a but say you musu che say suicide no ewo Africa no was super.
They say we are the
Africa. Inti ya you will be
100,000 yeah.
Or jinin kwan a dosu a bibi my for yes na yenya treatment.
New resources.
And I mebunu susu na affect your mom. Omo ye country ne dachi no. Omo no mu for suicide.
And anything e be dey TikTok about.
Ai. Mama nye bibi be minti no.
Hey,
yeah, Ghana so.
Now, person eating disorders.
Okay.
Schizophrenia, bipolar, depressive disorders, anxiety. It's all here. Anxiety and depression, and then the
highest.
Just a more yarwa. Wo wiase pa ya adwin mu yare pa no ene ayam hyehyɛ ene waye boson sami enui
the most common oh no dey hwehwɛ mu bebree actually that the most common mental illnesses worldwide depression and anxiety and normally sometimes no obi ba o nche no ne wo kasa na wo scan ne say anxiety be or baby and depression because and also to me the more mental illness ever and depression and anxiety no e can couple my set twins no normally we be diagnosis no only pa kono with both depression and anxiety maybe back was so chain back but e wo ho bipolar so wo ho say nothing can be kosoro na ya ba form na fi de waye kakra no eno susu wo ho schizophrenia no mental disorder be a kind of psychotic disorders no reality no niema eni ho no teno no behu delusions and hallucinations o believe niema say o believe say ono no yeti hey o oni sompa
okay
yes the ownership no start order obi aba
obi ahun e de me be medjuma no say ekoyia
o believe pass sompa yeti hey media na hallucination so
Michelle obi no say Ghana ene de
ina de na yekese
ahemfo no nyina no obese obi a etua de etua tribute mano na amontua nto no ankasa atiesikro oba fi ase akwa ahemfo bi a nchen na mbisa na president also president no mo de maso kwa yemo omo no de mo yenkete kra and serious na Ghana at the same
Ghana has so mental disorders so and so rising.
Okay.
WHO say about 13%. And no Rebecca said they or
hanchemu
dumiensa. To fa Ghana for ni na or hanchemu dumiensa 13% our mental illness.
Wow.
And 3% and no severe and pa. And the schizophrenia, major depressive disorders. So because I think we are no dear, ubet me out by your different levels. A boy a mild, a boy a moderate, a boy so bit a severe depression.
Okay.
And about hanchemu a diokuno on what 98, right? 98%. Undetected. She say ye and she say go for be brain amwa or more mental illness or money.
Wow.
And the so maybe and family who maybe me okay me fine. And so maybe bibi or how because of treatment, any resources, any money, any hand, a lot of times it goes undetected. Na your best suicide na near can once na so be a gin kwan free is a mere ma fasemenum poison wound or hanchi mu 12% do mienu
a
cheaper back 12.1% accord a memano 12.1% into mu was suru bebre che emano enti mema a German confirm more than a ma.
Okay.
Na most common ones na wo Ghana and any mental health issue, anxiety, any depression, so high. Send any global any candidate. Anxiety, any depression, everywhere across the globe. Statistics no the same. Ni me no ekosro. Stress so hapa. There's a stress because and I'm making big about stress. Stressful disorders war Ghana any a bibremu mantem say Africa regions because adversity
and on bibremu kukuhwi ase amaninya oyende epinisie
doom sorry yeah sorry you doom light hours
yes alone you do yes
nini na stress
okay
what starting business you doom light 3 days wo cold store you doom light chisa okoto generator nini na adversities of life she was for esisi Africa enkofo ye twitwa omo nsane omo nan into stress related issues.
Listen, hold it for me now. Me fear say MBA lines no.
Okay.
I was on for some kind of MBA lines in time kakra. If you say leko baby. 0260196064 0260196065. But they say offer or you so discuss offer na ya peke we no ye enu so dia chiro na yetumi etu ho number nti se woba unse woba some of this conditions are priest nyabotre apape mu a chere said the science ni bitino no afre na ebi ho a offer e be direct no akọ baby akọje mmoa line na obetumi afre na yeni ho a wa afre studio mu na omo abless wo na mo de omo the number ama ni abo 0531 886216 0531 886216 sa no me ofra o mefa no na o ma direct no e de amai ne so ya direct we de akoba bia obenya mboa na ha sa obese wo kan asem de a and the 0260 196064 0260-1960-64 and 0260-1960-65. Listen, but I try a tip for my free. Na maybe say obuai for science. You can say I do my tone and feed your coffee. Say Susan should be a daddy. Near whom say, yeah, but now obiti say, and I did say me be a counselor. And what are the signs of poor mental health? I also say about unfortunate.
Okay. Na science no medical can say sign ba could be ba and no nche say bibi yo and I say bibi how ye dika cha say mental health no and no emutre change say mental illness and na ma cheche bebre say maybe why basa na say we say ni say na no your emotional signs atinkamu nyeme bi e be cheche say bibi nkoyi e wo mental health no wura ho banye say one time bia maybe bibi esi a wura ho ye we be kind of persistent sadness de bia wura ho de bia I say when inje o sharp for the past 2-3 weeks why basa o dream bebre why sad and no a sign say maybe bibi koso and I say wabemu bu nini na no o sha persistence na de bia ti se kwa obi ni ukasa or cancel de munka ne metimi aka wa drink kwa animo and I say numbness
why to treat bisa
feel she masa ni ebe aweja mabre
titriti
nini na che say
bibi
koyi and excessive worry na I can want them dream and etraso and hu abehye mu
ayam shishie
and I say ubufu ntentem why just say bibia ka first no because na sisi ade just say yes sparky yen so matches no kra no apeja
okay
just say who say irritability and I say na say na obewi ya tiafa no tu asem no maybe asem bi esi oh anya asem aye oden ba se no dipa ko ni mood be ye no eni asem na esi no e boy bra kakra ye too much and ususu atinka mu no
Mamenka or man for 0260196064 0260196065 members be your 0260196064 and 0260196065 friend na anyone ending come na enche our studio ha please na enter so
ena adianka wani je ho no maybe upe ball maybe upe reading maybe upe se ombo ankola sane ma wani je ni na won se uni interest bi enye bibia mpusu kura se koye bi
okay
ti hu se sisi a mi hu se awe hono ya doso me dream dodo be 2 weeks ni I said bibia na me buefu maye basa niema nka mema mani jini na emfa me hu bie ma eno no ya tenka fam no
okay
e ho na be hu se bibi koso a maybe e wo se me hwe ni yi maybe e wo se me nya mo bi na ya ba cognitive so wo dream say na si fa wa dream no
okay
eno no untimi en concentrate so we ya de untimi fa wa dream en si ade na wo ye ne so say me yesi
ko hana ba
e ko ha o nti obi ko atimi ne wo kasana o kan say oh auntie say oh I was today
nothing me ho
o number bi kura
and it's governor more drive here dangerous
yes and I'm making decision
so Sijina
say oh I may yes say if it's a wadre no number bi nti wuntimi en hihya wadre na en hu say ni say no me we fi ade so ntem obi say enye won enra o ka so oh sa na fi dai say bibia ewo wutirimu bebre and bibi so ewo ho a we see na say intrusive thoughts a dream bebre nsem bebre bubo fa wutirim say ana we na see anything na say na adwin na akotwe yaba ana anye we na see say na atwe nyema bebre na akambum na ana say the thoughts of say maybe ana mi nye me ho bone ana mi hu fi wiase nini na ya signs of poor mental health
okay
and no ya dream famous then the cause of our dream
maybe nkoyi
our dream to say obi wa poor mental health sanya ma we ni na eba
physically bibi o honso say
physically uni pedua ni so then na esi untimi na obeto the whole night untimi na odania bi na say intrusive thoughts no eno so kan wo party na untimi na adwino doso enti wo yes wo dana na bibia fufura behiem wo yes wo dana na bibi fufura behiem anaso bo so otimi da pa
okay
because obuwa on pese maybe ade na esi no e ba affect ni nti no ene ode da ena escape efisa
na so won dem an traso a
eti affect
yes embo ani pedua kra
because untimi movie untimi ni di
yeah
what appetite so affect obo so obi hu no ne swate nini na physically just a poor mental health
baby
and as only pa kono so aye kese pa
okay
because obu ha o go to issues bia or the sweets eniema esichire wo mu no di se ne be ya o how o komu no e be kofom anase ni tea pie no abre obekase na haya ne ya de me hu na mi na ya me ya nini na so osha wa hu den swati uni energy sa and I even password go crash say when in je hu bebre nini na ya signs of poor mental na ne ne yeswe behaviorally no wa twe ne ho afi na busuafo ho ne namfofo ho
onfrobia
ofra o send the message or respond on tisa or post message or post on the status or no ampa maybe we be comment no nini na ya signs of poor mental health ejumemu ko program bi ye get together bi or maybe or hokra what baby fa ko or involve is a games bi na ya onye bi obu osusu a o shedem onware days
onware
care onye bi
wa totu bi ase won na modwe
ni ti won basa onye hwe no say then esi ati na wo shed them the whole day 2 days na ewumpie unidi ya onye hwe nini na ye behavioral science ni bi ena esimi suba so increased substance use any aka substances so
that some period mental healthy you should dedicate back on the ma awfo maybe say awfo to mean the signs of mental illness and mental distress and mental problems
e will be mo
e wo omumba e mo fra e na beti awfo bi na kra de then how adwendwen ben me na me hwe wo ba etua me smitua wo so dey say wo yare and then omontiase say enkran so nti ye be should dedicate one day dia eno ye enkran kwa na a teacher for what to do awfo what to do Sunday school teachers what to do and sometimes even peers in the 4 levels a teacher for a teacher for friends Sunday school teachers because a lot of Ghanaian children sorry mamoko
enti obu so be hu say enka ono monsa enso wa sha se no monsa
also did
the omde appetize where they are broso
also the papa
where they have their broso
hey
enti on ensana na wa start ye nu boni bi ana so no monsa de basisi a
this is one of my sample lines no be
okay
amount for lines no 0260196064 0260196064 and now say 0260196065 0260196065 yentoaso
ena nti uhun sana na wa hwedi yeze ensa no mi ya doso first onum 1 bottle sisi onum 5 nini na ya science ena obo so woman pofrima was starting yen yeme bia enka onye first enu say sudden risk taking was starting che say oya na wa dom akoton niema bebre sika onni kra osio no ton niema no brankrofo niema bia emfa kwam say ni ye sisi anu me she dan hu ni ye sudden uncharacteristic risk taking ko obi anka obone homodin osiesi discussie nso hwa otutu niema basa okasa basa wa joining crofobia omo behave some way bi when who said debi bibi enkoye inti sa niema we na emotional na dreamu atinkamu physical so aye bosa onidi ne swati nini na ya signs of poor mental
health. Before say a man for me no my friend enchibi ebeko me pese ade ba ko hamadwen pa met me share obi obrana obu no me ye difo obi a enfanizan me se me difo we enye di second crown American hasa but me hu say sabranti so twice a day iswa obenya adwuma yare metumi shia obi nso a otene background baby you free ba na wom niema atono nsam a atono ene ebi a obisa na danfo so me nia danfo ana bi obi a ina de bi na shino otumi nyem you can predict maybe I may take as a practitioner I feel 26 years I'm as a practice psychologist metumi hu say we no if I know what compromises mental health, and maybe say your hair no so biologically, psychologically, socially, environmentally, what compromises? Boy, then ebema sa adwinotui atiatofem. Just say because a compromise here. Ebetumi ama wadwinotono akofem.
First medical can say mental health no enfi prekopena ekofomu bibi tai echi nti psychology because the risk factors and niema emma biologically no ye obi bia sene ye body
wa wo mutino
wa wo mutini brofo ye beka no genetic disposition.
Okay.
Enti on say sometimes you can say ebusuan we do muni no mutinya rubber I can say obi papa ti we ti say nti sana me so metie be de awono enti eno ne genetic disposition enti say o genetic disposition say fan say o maame anan say wo nana bi oyo obi a na ehu ewoni mu oyo obi a na odwen bebre oyo obi a na ne hu hyeda nyema epusu no ntema ubetimi aye sa genetic disposition betimi aba wososo ama wososo senia wosi hu niema fa enti e ka say we die ne nana pa na da ho no ne ni ye ne kasa enti mo say e si ne kokoti se ne maami nini na ye genetic disposition.
All right.
And brain chemistry imbalance no so eno sometimes enrono na e wo adwene mu no.
Okay.
Sisi sa etimiti fa so wo baby a na akose issues stress hormones ni adi iti brain chemistry imbalances no so etimi cause sa and a chronic illness obu ha wa yare ache ana o yare bi a eye yare a enya adi a onu maduro a ebeko enti sa chronic pain illness no aye na chenti no unya kra opese na dey thoughts of death ni we ni ba no a hormonal shift eno yakaka mapa no maybe ubebunsa bo so feel some way be why so why basa nini na biologically no eka psychologically childhood trauma
adibia ato
usano
oyembe bi
oprebi send obi ni okasa only obi tina be 10 years
oyo ayaka de
oye wo basa mete story bi I think say yenyum to ni PAC style kind of story any I think me refini din kakra ono susu tu ya oto ewenyum pa ono so kasa oni obi tina ya oye ne basa o man aduane ntisa eniema no timi mu ni pa kro no a mental health breaki yesi wo honya fe ene ye bi ka bi cha akosua so se bema into the distance mu ehye mu a on drink kwaso onyi ko bi kwa be ware no psychologically so negative self talk
was na work see kasa
chewo na mikra de se meka menya papa bia
beja ibinum
ai nkofo kwa ye nkobi nini na eka ho perfectionism obu ha opese bibia ye pepe personality no
that is actually say your temperament.
Yeah, I say your temperament. Oni pa kono oye boni a ontimi fan chene ho. Say obi aye ne boni o betimi akasa o de ba me di adenti na me ye say obedwin ho ni na psychologically e be break you psychologically unprocessed grief. Say bibia o hwe ye
when to me grieving we gonna say when you are elsan ko di are ho na owie are ho ni di na otoaso
nini na wa maybe didn't see I so nyehwe enso yehwe nini na to be break you and a low self esteem nini na and any negative self talk no
right
a kopa right and a social life loneliness isolation won kwa wonam nti awufu otie ya obi wo ha akola bi wo ha maybe ote won chen usho uya obani ye utatare a onto bi ma akola be feel isolated or be feel say onka ho toxic relationships so ya another thing oni pa ko na a relationship na wo enye
enso gusu shem
oni narcissistic bond oye wa yakayaka die odi watem omu still ugusu wo ebe break you and a bullying we dey common school for pa any edumaye for so wo edume mu upenyi bi oye obasabasa kasa wanim basabasa school for and a utiso tinkelenkele ene ni edi wachi
nini na efundo tinkelenkele na nkrohwea
the social life issues kopa na so we adwuma asay nini na aka ho we kunu ananse obi bi oben wewu nini na aka ho ena eka eba migration na wakọ baby fufuro aha na say maybe baby awo adibia to ya do akọtena baby fufuro nini na eka ho ena environmental baby ya wo to ye obu aka say ya wu ntiewade ya wu mi na de yi push ya mva man ko baby eka push
obi say enne say ya catch say on choose baby na say kai Ghana all me I want to Ghana da
and ye na ye ko Europe na de had ye ntina chim ye pechim bia ye pe push gently is eduani ni ho and I can mental illness resources in niha doom so it will high traffic obet nemu train bien niha ensem bebre uti baby a ho and yes ye kunwe or China yes abo way to say on
so
best.
many things compromise our mental health.
Stigma baby I maybe unisika enyama bebre
omanfo mame MBA lines no aka just mabe enum nsia na mebre aibe el se mesanko baby sani embo mama ne no and the numbers ne 0260 1960 0260 1960 and 0260 1960 Fred, we were just 5 minutes. Now, Fred, now no ending. Come me say, Bosumi, a mental health month, the Purple Month. Na yebeka, I've been thinking kateo of myself, and no, a Sompa Rhapsody, pe and Albert also. I've been thinking kateo. What compromises our mental health? President Achen say a biological be o dia wo but be ankoyi o ni peduemo e be ho nso na wadwene no endrandro na homu no ambalance yi be ho nso na wakonya yare bi bra wo nyine no ana oya obi ana sendrandro ni peduemo no na ayese enhye na enflow yi ana na wontume nna enno e brandi papa ana say we no onumbi sa onu mu ye jayo etufua na oja ho na wosre onu mu wi onu tramo onu mu afan say red na o ka wu nyina wo be bodam eno psychological no so bia na akra e bi oteno ye na aka de e bi so na o kasa che ne ho o kasa che ho a o kan niam enye o pese bia perfect o pese bibia che say asam to wa na abrashe o anya hwe enso ye upra low self esteem mbu ho abomfia and a learned helplessness riba bia na asam to wa na wa ka che bibia du die me ntumi ye hwe me show bia say me prof me de me ntumi ye hwe obi aba line to no so hello I got dumo radio no kra. Dumo radio no kasa. Oh, sorry. We dey anko yi. Anti obi wo ho a na obohu se low self-esteem obu ne ho abomfia. O monu ho kete. NFA ade bi to na e fa na learn helplessness. I said the atom idea me ye ho hwea enye and also e kan ho e compromise adwentin katew e compromise I just say e ma wadwene mu ne watenke mu tew no e kofam and obi wo ho so a social life loneliness ankonam isolation be me ho toxic relationship media mempe relationship am yomu yi e brame so enum na metena bullying abuse ye man e ko school na ye bully am no ye kan se mi kire am no e na ho nye fe e na ye bema e na ye gay e na ye lesbian e na bi ho na ye no kore na ye de bully akore isa so bereavement divorce obi okwa ba kwa na egu second one so e ye egu sa na man nyina no e compromise mental health job loss oh me kai pass e study bi bra Ghana nyuma nyina bank no ebinim foldi no be share e study bi na be over 400 workers are lose madwuma na more than 30% ohanche maduasa de no wonya wo ho a anka obeye ho bone sa na me nyina ya de bia ya na ekoso na obeka about debt or the car ontumi ntuaka migration o si o mpese mi fi Ghana me ko ba bia menya baby pa atena okoya woni papers enti say ye tata no eni we nyina ma wadwemu adwenten kate no ekofem ana nsu ato na displacement wo bia si displacement na nsan not hono say na ibianum na ibinu ntokwa atoto mo na omo afifie na madwane gya ne mba dwane gya adwuma ne dan na okate ba bia ote rubber dan mu so and environmentally wo hia aduane ye ni ho neighborhood and can say galamsey obeko ba bi no just wontumi kura enum nsupa ne nyina ka ho nso na no nyina ya sign no discrimination stigma excessive social media obetena social media so sa and kwaye on that political instability nyame na adomaka ya de ye ni sa how no climate disasters ensure top ebetna say obi mfuyi betna say obi adwuma betna say obi fia watim enjema fo momfre akabe na me free ha 0260 1960 64 0260 1960 65 When me ya duma ba beto aso bi oni a kire wo obi aba line ba kono so hello
Reverend,
morning me ja ba che Forson na frefre ni
Pastor me no Japan pastor other my just one day
hey one day kasa yanko
that is yanko poncho that is pastor me mo ko bi kakana
dabi yanko ofu
because that all when call for Pentina for the Israel so as I mean follow ending party
oh menso ebesa to asin menso kra
ate that's all me I say it can part the only my in that is here the or the my ko poncho
amen
and dana being a real call net drop
okay
we like maybe about social your ability to lead people is very important. Helping people is very important. There will be a situation here. Obviously, I think one.
Right.
And I can begin to say, if you don't fight, if you fight everyone will do.
Aye, what there be able be to come to kwa. Be soon be come to kwa.
Okay. If I told me strength, it's always a baby. No one 5 years that time.
Okay.
I was 10 years. Okay. No one KG1. And I know almost yes, then I do school. I think no more. I went there almost the class exam field. I don't know whereby, but not there or then I don't for be work and then I don't for non and a teacher to go on. The teacher you know. And when you are planning on mental way there, or no madia on Chopia, the teacher one is there, or no imagine after Madame for now, no, the after. If the idea is to remove so they talk for. Not only work to one, and the big is to pay yes, I thought, or pretend not that whole class view.
Okay.
In the idea is but on a very dear teacher, very dear face, but the idea of the country, you are not very sure here, or that they are happy and you know, I had the idea leaving that to say, no, in my country, but only when working toward here, and the other end of part now. It is that there. Yes, I because my teachers no class of Mokobia, me cut on someone the point that there.
Yeah.
I can opinion in
my number is na ayafre na ofra we 053 188 6216 different na yenkasa why bye. Last caller about line or so, and the Mekatos and the Enche. But when you I drop it, oh, with your sorry pa. A man for Inti baby every Unyamia Dmoa, Sunny, the only call I buy no actually, you know, and the baby of a son who acquire, obeyed me a faso na Wabuaka, Mabo, and to the offer line, a bachelor I session, special time at the Amankura, Messe Adjunato. Proverbs 2 verse 11. Adjun Pamba also. Nantiasia verse 11. Nantiasia abon by. As the modern and Adjun Po, Messiah Adjutin Cato. So when you're Adjutin Catoa, a bebon who buy. Now a you a free Adjunia Emfra. Can whom say, Wabana Bonwana Wubu. So Bunia, Bessie. So when I see a sinny talk on swat, don't you know him or bra futu on Kamono? Yana, a your bra bassa. But some for just Osafor and the Presla, Sebonsu, and your decision at the Brel. Yet there was a wood when your man can't says you, or Madumina, your dear, or Ma Ubuntu, Nama Masunya de Sin Boa, but a being no war. Dina Pinting, National one day. Say Adjunato and Adjutin Cato and Quia. Yeba Chino principles, if you require a candidate. Fire Juma, Nebebo. Until I come your way some other time. When you men come home. One man doing your dear. Shalom.